Google just dropped Gemini 3.7 Flash, jumping to 65.3% on coding benchmarks while cutting your API cost in half. But there is a 2027 catch in the fine print that completely changes what you will pay as a developer. This release comes only 3 weeks after Gemini 3.6 Flash. Google is moving at breakneck speed. They built 3.7 Flash as a dedicated workhorse for coding, agentic workflows, and complex document parsing. Instead of just guessing, it introduces customizable thinking budgets. That means you can tune exactly how long the model reasons before answering. You control the balance between latency, which is response speed, and total accuracy. Here is the under 3-minute verdict on what this means for your daily work. Gemini 3.7 Flash is no longer just a budget fallback. It is now Google's most practical model for real software engineering. On everyday code fixes, it performs like a top-tier frontier model at a fraction of the price. If you build AI coding agents, your per-task operational cost just dropped by 50%. You do not need to rewrite your prompt stack. It drops right into the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, and Android Studio. The key upgrade is how it handles multi-step logic. When an agent breaks a codebase into smaller subtasks, earlier models would lose track after 3 steps. Gemini 3.7 maintains plan fidelity across long tool calls. For developers, this turns fragile scripts into reliable background workers. If your workflow handles messy PDFs, API logs, or pull requests, this is an instant upgrade. You get faster response times, cleaner JSON outputs, and fewer syntax errors. That is the verdict in under 3 minutes. Now let us look at the verified benchmark data. Let us break down the verified numbers from Google DeepMind's official report. On the DeepSWE version 1.1 coding benchmark, Gemini 3.7 Flash hits 65.3%. That is up from 49% on 3.6 Flash. On FrontierCode main, it scores 43.6%, up nearly 10 full points. On the WebDev Arena benchmark, it posts an ELO rating of 1588, beating previous Flash models on front-end web creation. For document analysis on GDP.PDF, it scores 34% compared to 22% before. On Automation Bench, measuring business workflows, it jumped from 17% to 30.4%. Now, if you want real, verified breakdowns the same day new AI models drop, hit subscribe right now. We test the claims so you know what is actually worth using. The pricing is where Google is making a massive land grab. The introductory price is 75 cents per million input tokens and $3.75 per million output tokens. That cuts the cost of 3.6 Flash clean in half. Think of it as getting senior engineer reasoning at junior developer API rates. Now let us pay off the catch we mentioned at the start. That 75-cent rate is an introductory promotion. It is only valid through December 31st, 2026. On January 1st, 2027, the price doubles to $1.50 input and $7.50 output. If you are baking this into a commercial product, you must model that price jump into your runway. Also, while the thinking toggle helps, 3.7 Flash is still a lightweight architecture. On deeply nested mathematical proofs or massive multi-repo architecture refactors, massive flagship models like Claude Opus or full pro models still hold an edge. We track every major model drop and verify the numbers the day they land, so you never build your tech stack on hype. If this breakdown saved you research time, hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Are you planning to switch your coding workflows to Gemini 3.7 Flash? Or are you staying on your current stack? Leave a like, and we will see you in the next breakdown.